My name is Marek Więckowski. I'm from Polish Society of Amateur Astronomers from Lublin. With my colleagues from Lublin and Warsaw, we built detection station like on this picture. We are not professional astronomers. We catching only muons and participating in project CREDO from point of view of particle hunters participants. In these pictures detection station, we built this from Samsung mobile phone. These pictures are from our internal messenger group or the other social media. The station work great. This is statistic from particle hunters competition from marathon. In first row is detection for my colleagues from Warsaw. 11 users have 100,000 detection. This data are for 2 months. In Lublin, we have 7 users and 23,000 detections in a particular hunters competition. You see, number 3 is KMO Międzylesie. This is a science club in school in Międzylesie. One class of young people, 43 people, young people, only 18,000 detection. Because our detection station work continuously, 24 hours per day, we have a lots of muon or other particles detection. What is in this station? First, we have a good quality multi-channel USB charger, because good quality of current and voltage is very important in this station, and good quality of power cord, USB power cord. For single phone, we recommended factory charger. It works best, but if you have several phones, the multi-charger will be better, because charge all phones at the same time. Mobile phone working with Wi-Fi, and we use cooling pad for laptops for avoid problem with temperature, because this telephone camera on this phone working in filming mode, they produce a lot of heat, and processor and power components and Wi-Fi module too. The cool of the phone and safely dissipate the emitted heat. In this case, we use a cooling pad for laptop. This solution is safe and quiet. And we use new original battery or good quality replacement. We use special software. Its name is Battery Charge Limit. This application from Google Play Shop, which will allow us to limit the battery charging level via charger to 80% of capacity. This significantly extends the battery life. The detailed description how it's work is on the XDA developer forum. That is full manual for telephone, and is one problem with this application. They need root procedure of Android for super user privilege. Is complicated configuration, is not simple for young user for elementary or high school, but full manual is on the forum. This program manages battery charging level. You see limits this level up 80%. Samsung Galaxy S4 is most popular mobile phone in our detection station. Is cheap, 50-40 euro. Has good sensitivity for muons. It's 200 detection per day. Original battery is cheap, for 10 euro. Here we have a sample of statistic data. In first row, we have detection for the best phone for latest, I think, 2 or 3 months. This data we get from CREDO, from Sławomir Stublik. Thank you very much. You see in first row, GTI 8190. This is Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini. It's the best phone with mostly 60,000 good detection. And in row, our detect. This column is best for analyzing quality of mobile phone. 10 detection per hour is for the best phone. We have in this picture 4 telephone, Galaxy S3 Mini, Galaxy X Cover, Galaxy Trend, and Galaxy S4. Galaxy S4 is most popular. We use all this phone. Latest column show Android system version. All this telephone is for Android 6. With this Android, we have now a few of problems. First, from August 2023, the library of Google Play service not working online. There are not upgrade of Google Play service, and CREDO detector app will not working and not install via Google Play. Is possibly to install this application via cable, but is problem with running because Google Android in this version KitKat and Jelly Bean not support Google Play Shop. Now is problem for new telephone when we build detection station. Second problem is security. Very old Android with no security patch is dangerous for every user for Google account. This is unsecured and unsupported version, and we not recommended to use current Google account to register phone. With newest Android, newest telephone is problem with power management because telephone automatically go to suspend and CREDO detector app not working. And as point of view of user, we have 3 expectations. First, good reason is a new CREDO detector app for old Android, 4 or from 4 to 7. They not need Google Play service and library to run. Second is we need new detector app 2 version, newer Android and for testing new mobile phone. And we discuss with my colleagues on social media, we need a cheap D kit for advanced users, maybe built on Raspberry Pi with web camera or another detectors. Is old CREDO project on GitHub with software for Raspberry Pi, but is not continuing. I think it's good reason for this project working. It's all. Thank you very much. This is my blog, but in Polish. I put any information about CREDO project. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Now there's time for questions. So anyone, comments, questions, please?
So, Gergely Bonafeli, thank you very much for the presentation. I would have a question related to the table what you had. It was very hard to read, so I think you shouldn't need to bring up. But the main point was that there are some specific phones which can be sensitive to the muons most. My question is it related to the size of the sensor? Is it related to the megapixel size or some other sensitivity? Do you have any data on this? So what size?
No, we have not idea why one model had very high sensitivity, other telephone not. We have Samsung Galaxy S4 with another hardware construction.
The same phone can have couple different types of the hardware, and they have different software as well. And we observe that this different type of phones, they has a different sensitive for the
Modes.
detections of the muon. And we don't know why it's like that. We don't have any clue at the moment. The phone
bardzo
from the
popularne.
series Galaxy
S3.
S3, they are very popular.
Popular.
The S3, Galaxy the S3 has a very high sensitive, but the Samsung S3, this type of phone almost no register
Detection.
the muons on the
Okay,
the
Not-
thank you,
detector.
thank you very much. We need to move on. Okay, let's thank the speaker again, first of all.